Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Want to make your Android phone look more stylish and personal? One easy way is by changing the font style. In this video, I will show you how to change the font style on Android and customize how your phone looks in just a few simple steps. Before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Open Display Settings. Change font style. Adjust text size. Apply changes. Let's break it down step by step. At step number 1, open Display Settings. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Display. Then look for Font, Font Size, or Display Size and Text. Step number 2, change font style. Tap Font Style or Font. If your device supports it, you'll see a list of available fonts. Select the font you want to use and preview it. Some devices may also allow you to download additional fonts. Step number 3, adjust text size optional. If you only see size options, you can still customize your display. Adjust font size, make text bigger or smaller. Display size, adjust overall screen elements. This helps improve readability and comfort. Step number 4, apply changes. Once you choose your preferred font or size, the changes will apply automatically. Exit Settings and check your new look. Bonus tip: if you do not see font style options, your Android version or device may not support custom fonts. In that case, only font size changes will be available. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to change font style on Android. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. And hey, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.